Good morning, students. Till now we have been discussing about the various methods for separation of solid and solid liquid mixture. Now today we will discuss about separation of mixtures of two liquids. So first of all, let us understand the nature of mixture of two liquid. A liquid mixture may contain two types of liquids in it. What are those two types? First one is miscible liquids. Miscible liquids are those which mix in all proportions and form a single layer when kept in a container. Example, alcohol and water. That means miscible liquids mix with each other completely and their separation is not easy. It cannot be done by simple method. And example is alcohol and water, milk and water, and there are many more examples. Now second type of liquid is immiscible liquid. Immiscible liquids are those which do not mix with each other and they form separate layers. If they are kept in a container, they form separate layers. As for example, oil and water, petrol and water, and many more. So a liquid mixture may contain either miscible liquids or immiscible liquids in it. So we will discuss these two cases one by one. Today we will discuss about the method to separate mixture containing miscible liquids. So separation of miscible liquids, basically it is done by fractional distillation. You already have read about fractional distillation in previous class, but still we need to know more about it. Fractional distillation is the process by which mixture containing miscible liquids having differences in their boiling point can be separated, and it is done in an apparatus called fractionation column or fractionating column. So fractional distillation is done in a special apparatus, and in that the mixture of miscible liquids is kept and all the components present in that mixture, they are having different boiling points, and the component having the lowest boiling point boils first and it vaporizes, and simultaneously other components which are having higher boiling point, they also vaporize, and after condensing those vapors one by one, we can obtain the different types of liquids. Let us understand this by this diagram. You can see this is a fractionating column. Here in this round bottom flask we have kept mixture of alcohol and water. Both alcohol and water are miscible liquids. When we heat, we start heating this alcohol and water mixture, then what happens? The alcohol, which is having lower boiling point than water, vaporizes first. It has been estimated that alcohol is having boiling point of 78 degrees Celsius. So when this mixture attains 78 degrees Celsius, from here vapors of alcohol pass through the fractionating column, and then you can see this thermometer records the temperature 78 degrees Celsius. At this temperature the vapors of alcohol come out through this delivery tube. This is called condenser. We had already discussed in distillation, this is Liebig's condenser, and inside this condenser water is flowing which cools down the vapor passing through this tube, and then when vapors of alcohol pass through this thin delivery tube, this condenser cools down the vapor and we obtain alcohol here, and then after that water can be collected when the temperature is attained at 100 degrees Celsius. So in this way different components in a liquid mixture, they are having different boiling points, and according to their increasing order of boiling point we can obtain the components one by one. So this is one method to separate a mixture of two liquids, that is two miscible liquids. That's all for today. In the next class we will discuss about separation of mixture of immiscible liquids. So that's all for today. Thank you.